Salut toute ma petite sauce famille, mieux comment nous y est. So ma petite nous merci et bienvenue sur chaîne nan. Nous kawè que moi gen farine, Christian gen farine tout. So aujourd'hui on porter un challenge pour nous. Il y aurait le smack or fat. So ça veut dire que m'a regarder qui est-ce si connaît plus bien ou bien si moi connais plus bien. So m'a poser la question ouais, j'ai 10 questions. M'a poser la question yo, s'il pas répondre, chaque question il pas répondre, m'a mettre même dans farine là et puis m'a ballon soufflette avec. M'a soufflette que c'est nada. So nous allons commencer. Nous allons commencer et puis un peu et puis d'après qui est-ce qu'on peut l'autre plus bien. You ready, honey?
Yeah,
Okay, let's go. Can I start? You wanna start?
no, you start.
I start? Okay. No cheating.
No.
Okay. When did we first meet? Model qui l'a notre premier rencontré.
That was 2015 in January.
Smack.
2016.
Listen, I'm gonna like I give you 5. I'm gonna put until 5. 1,
2014.
3,
No, what's 2014?
4, 5.
That was 2014.
No, that was November 2013. Tiffany was about to be 1 in February.
That's true.
So, let's go to nous rencontre en 2014, but Mathilde nous rencontre en 2013. Okay, your turn.
Okay, mine is when I proposed you.
Shit, les madame qui elle était madame mariée. Oh, on my birthday, April 25th, on my birthday, on 2015.
That was the easy one.
What's my shoe size? Model qui numéro pied.
Your shoes IDE is 7,
1,
8.
2,
It's no way.
3,
9.
4, 4,
8.5.
5,
What's your size?
7.5.
Oh, I said 7.
Your turn.
Okay, let me see. I'm gonna give you a hard one. Mine's are easy. Hold on, Sky. I guess, Michael, what's my favorite color?
Red.
You see, Sky, she knows.
Okay.
What?
Next one.
What, Papi?
What I like doing the most in the house? Model qui s'en plus me fait dans Kyla.
Cleaning?
Yeah, you got this one. Your turn.
Okay, mine is next one. What do we have in common?
Colors. I love red and you love red.
No.
Oh yeah, that's one of it.
One, yeah, okay, one more.
One. What do you mean one more? I answer. It's only one. It's not two. I answer. It's colors. I love red and you love red. We have look.
I said
my phone is red and his phone is red.
I said, what do we have in common?
Colors.
Yes, that's it.
I don't have to answer everything. One is enough.
Okay.
One is enough. Okay. Next one. Okay. Next one. Who is my best friend?
Cindy.
1, 2, 3.
It's me.
Yes, you got your turn.
Okay.
What am I name?
Hi, Mommy.
What's Stephanie's middle name?
Titi.
No.
Titi.
Oh, Ariana.
That's true.
Ariana.
Come on,
Okay.
Sky,
Oh, Barbara Smack. Okay. What is my life goal?
What is
My life goal.
Buy a house?
Buy house is for me, you and Sky.
Okay.
I'm talking about business, like what I want to do.
Restaurant?
No.
Yes, you want to do a restaurant.
Yeah,
Come on.
that's true. It's
So
like
that's
your
it.
business. Yeah. Okay, your turn. Sky,
Sky,
start.
come on.
Your turn.
Okay, how much? Let's go make a
You want smack to Sky? Po. Your turn.
What was the month we gone on vacation? Me and you and Sky.
The month? We just went last year.
But what was the month?
What was the month? What do you mean? What was the month?
Which month?
It was March.
Yeah, it was March.
No way!
Sky, we gotta smack your mouth, Sky. Sky, no más, come
Okay.
on. No más.
Next one. What is my favorite movie?
Your favorite movie? Titanic.
No. Titanic. I don't. Whenever they have Titanic, I never watch it. That's not my favorite movie. You know my favorite movie. 1, 2.
Come on, you never tell me.
You know my favorite movie. We always watch it together. You say that you don't like this movie, but this one is stuck in your head. 1, 2.
Really?
Yeah, you always
Pretty
say that.
Woman,
Yes,
like
you
that?
got it. Pretty Woman.
Look, Sky. So mine
Okay.
was next.
Yeah, next.
Where was the castle?
Yeah, Sky, high five. We're smacking daddy today. High five. Yeah. Okay, yours. Next one. Your turn.
Okay.
What is my city name when I born?
Your Olancho.
No, that's not a city. That's the state.
Honduras.
Honduras is the country.
Tegucigalpa.
I'm gonna give you 3.
Olancho. That's what you always tell me. No, but you never tell me that.
I did.
You never
2,
tell me that.
3.
You never tell me that. No, that's
4.
not right. You never tell me that.
I did.
No, you never tell me that.
San Esteban.
Oh
You
yeah,
know what
San
I said?
Esteban. No, I just said San Esteban.
You said
I just
Olancho.
said it. No.
This
I
is-
said. No,
You
give
say
me in my ass, not my face. My ass. I don't want to feel it. My ass,
Come on.
not my face. Come on. No, my ass. Ouch.
This guy, no.
Okay, mine.
Okay, bye.
Okay, what my clothes size?
Clothes size.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What is my clothes size? Because you buy clothes for me before.
28.
No, not like that. Is it small, medium, or large?
Small.
Nope. 1.
Medium. I'm guessing.
You get it. Yeah, medium. Your turn.
Okay, let me see mine.
Bye, Bobby.
Oh my God.
Bye.
What is the last pet name we have?
Last pet, Migliglin. Migliglin.
Tiffany name. My daughter named it like that.
Yeah, Tiffany named the cat Migliglin. Okay, my next one. All right. What is my favorite food?
Your food.
Your favorite food? Peruvian.
1, 2,
Haitian food. You
3.
Haitian?
It's not about the country, the food.
The food is
1,
I can't pronounce.
2.
I don't know.
No, you know. 3,
I don't remember how you
4, 5. Seafood.
say it. Oh my God! And I always do seafood for you.
I know. Little very
Come on,
seafood
Sky.
for me. Okay, your turn.
Okay, last one. What
Not last one.
Yeah, that's
Is
my
it?
last one.
Okay.
What was my mom first and last name?
Your mom name is Olon. I knew it.
Look.
Olon. Sky, stop, mommy.
No
Your-
make mess, mommy. That's it. We already look. We make a
Your mom name is
1.
wait. What? Olon.
3.
Olon, wait. It's in my head. I just
4.
wait.
5. That's done. Come on. You have to know it.
Oliva Escobar. I forgot.
That's
I
it.
knew it.
Come on.
I just forgot. I knew it. Give me a second. Ouch, that's it.
Juana.
Yeah, Juana.
Okay, yours the last one. No? Sky, no más, mommy. Come on, finito. Look your face.
Sky.
Come on, Sky. You
mucho
want
mucho
one?
figo.
¿Cómo se llama tu papi? Ven por aquí. ¿Cómo se llama tu mami? ¿Cómo se llama tu mami? Mami se llama Shoudeline. Sorry, Sky. Come on.
Who first Sky Toby?
Sorry, mom. Te tumbaste.
I don't think they see you. The camera moved.
There they do.
Alright, ma di nou merci parce que nou te gade. So, si nou reme video a kontinye like, abonne, tout visage moun plein farin. So, si nou remel, kontinye like et abonne et puis partager, commenter next challenge nou vle mfe ou bien si son point ekri la ba. Okay, honey? Say something.
If you guys want we do something for you, just comment. Whatever you guys, something else you want, we do it. So just comment in the comments and say, guys, do this or try to do this, and we're gonna try to do it for you.
Ya li di ko sa ki ni pot sa nou vle li nou fe yo. Li di ki ni pot sa nou vle pou nou fe yo. Ekril nan comment la epi nou men la fel. Okay, bye. Guys, bye. Cheese.